Hi there, we've got some bit of bad news for me anyway. When I took the dashboard out of the silver Phaeton, because I've got two Phaetons, sadly I broke this. The top of the gear selector. I don't know if you can see that with the video camera. And to replace that, I'm thinking about gluing something on there with some really good glue and maybe a 3D printer. Maybe that they can do something with that because it's snapped clean off. Anyway, so, and it's a real bitch. It's really difficult to take that out. But I'm going to share something with you because there's not many videos on Phaeton, so I'm going to start uploading a load. All right. So here we go. This is my silver Phaeton, which you can look at my other videos. You can see I've removed the engine and transmission. Now we got this is the cable for the gear selector, and it has a heat shield, and it's up there. I'm going to put my light on for this, but I removed the 8mm bolts for these, and this plate dropped down into this box. Okay. And I'm just showing you guys what it looks like with the transmission out. So to replace this, I guess you've got to take the transmission out. And maybe you pull the whole thing down. I think that's how it works with this thing. And I'm like in two minds what to do here. But look, that's what it looks like. This is the box that holds it on underneath. And the only way to get there is to take the transmission out. So yeah, that's all I got for now, and yeah, that's it. All right then, bye.